guys, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to talk about what are the top 5 features which I did like in the FunTouch UI 12. Yes friends, right now I'm trying to use the FunTouch OS 12, which as you can clearly see. So in the iQOO Z5 device which I did receive yesterday, the iQOO Z5 will be coming with the out of the box with the FunTouch OS 12. That's another really interesting thing friends, because these are the 5 changes which I did like in this FunTouch UI 12 when compared with the previous FunTouch UI 11 as well. But I'll ready to do side-by-side comparison very soon, so stay tuned for those videos as well. So first interesting thing which I did like in the FunTouch UI 12 is regarding the widgets, how we can actually add on the home screen, as you can clearly see. So right now if you try to use the app drawer, as you can see, now you'll be getting the option which says a widget column side. You just need to swipe it, and now these are the pre-installed widgets you can actually have here, as you can see clearly. So not only that, if you try to scroll down, you can actually see the individual applications, how many widgets are supported for individual applications. Thus, that is another really good advantage friends, because you should know how many different sizes. If I try to click on the calendar, there will be 2 different sizes, and Facebook only 1 size. So in this way, you'll be able to figure out how many widgets are available for your favorite application. And these are the pre-installed widgets which will definitely come with the FunTouch UI 12. That's also another neat advantage which you do have here, which also functions as double. Let me show you friends. First thing is to clean the everything for the cache and memory, and next is the weather application, which will definitely show you the real-time weather statistics according to the time and the graph as well. Third is regarding the album. You can add up to 25 images just by swiping every time. If you want, you can add that widget as well. And fourth is a sticker. You can add the sticky notes, and you can type any of your notes or any of the quotation, something as a reminder. If you want, you can do that. And this is a countdown widget which I did install right now. So GT Neo 2 will be releasing very soon on 13th. That's why I did set the countdown as well. And this is a music player where you can actually control the music player from here. And if you do, there are different options as well. If you want to switch between the music players, you can actually do that, Spotify or another player like this. That's the one thing which of my favorite features in the FunTouch UI 12. And next favorite and most important, which I did not expect to be frank, is regarding the multitasking. So in terms of multitasking, now you get different layout. This completely new layout you are getting at this moment, as you can see friends. Different layout you are getting, and if you want to switch between the previous layout, you can definitely do that. Previous layout and versus this layout. You can clearly see how much change it has been happened with this kind of multitasking. It's really good and very smooth right now. I did like this kind of widgets overall, this type of interface in terms of the multitasking. But one quite thing is that if you want to go into the app info, or if you want to open in the split screen, you just need to click on this icon. Now you will get the option which says split screen option as well. And you can click on the split screen, and you can open any other application in case if you wanted to, like this. As you can see exactly friends, it's quite useful. And in this way, you'll be able to access the split screen as well. That's also another thing. I'll try to do the side-by-side comparison with the FunTouch UI 11 and 12, so you'll be able to understand it kind of better, how it's kind of reacting. And this is my second feature which I did like. And third is that finally the full screen gestures got enabled, and you can swipe between the applications back and forth. Finally, it did happen. This is another best advantage right now I can actually see in the FunTouch UI 12, because I did have a lot of complaints regarding the FunTouch UI 11 previously. We were unable to use the gestures to swap between the applications, but right now you can actually do that. Swipe between the applications is possible in this FunTouch UI 12. Finally they did add this kind of features, which I did like, especially friends. This is my favorite thing, because I got used to this kind of back and forth changing between the applications every time. So it's very simple and easy and very fast. That's the one thing which really bothered me in the beginning, but finally it got added in the FunTouch UI 12. That's perfect. And next, fourth important thing is obviously something related to the game, which is Games Ultra Game Mode 2.0 version, which got added. And with this addition, we will be seeing the new different interface, which is slightly kind of organized. That is what I meant. Yes. So they're trying to be slightly kind of organized nowadays. Let's see. So maybe with the future updates, they should add the real-time FPS on the top here. That will be really great. Adding real-time FPS. So that is another balance which the iQOO team that should work on. That will be really very good advantage if they add the real-time FPS on this phone. That's another thing which I'm mentioning for you. And 4D vibrations also working completely fine. Nothing much difference. And there's a different modes you can actually select from. Power saver mode, balanced mode. Let me just click on the balanced mode, and monster mode. These are the 3 modes which right now you do have available in this device. As you can clearly see, this is another change which I did see in the FunTouch UI 12. And the final thing which I did like is about the blocking of the internet connection for each and every application. So if you try to go to the network and internet, there's an option which says network management. Here you can actually block the internet for individual applications. If you don't want to receive the internet for WhatsApp, you can block the WhatsApp. The same thing goes to the Wi-Fi as well. That's very good advantage which I did like, because sometimes I don't want to get disturbed from the WhatsApp messages, so immediately I can disable the WhatsApp. That's it. So WhatsApp only won't have any kind of internet connection. Rest of my phone I can use the internet connection. This is another neat feature which they did add in the FunTouch UI 12, and still there is a lot of more to explore in this UI, but definitely I'll try to compare with the FunTouch UI 11 versus 12. So there I'll try to discuss what is happening, what are the changes, top 10 changes, something like that. I'll definitely do the side-by-side comparison, then you will be able to understand slightly kind of better in this FunTouch UI versus FunTouch UI 11. So these are the few top 5 changes which I did like in the FunTouch UI 12, top 5 features which I did enjoy. And there are a lot of other advantages, friends. I did like the transitions and as you can see, animation when you're trying to close the applications. That's another very good advantage. And there's so much of customization you can actually do in this FunTouch UI 12, which I did enjoy. And right now let me do to access this. As you can see, right now it's cleaning everything. And 15 apps got closed and clear the junk as well. Everything, cache and everything will be cleared completely. That's another thing. Even the background applications are so completely got clean automatically. You can clearly see here what is the use of this one. And if you try to tap on the widget, it will try to open directly to the weather application, where you can actually access everything, all the weather details and everything. And each and every widget has got its own purpose, and you can add up to 25 images in this gallery widget. So you can choose from the gallery and you can add up to 25 images. That's also another option we do have here available. You can see the animations how it's happening in terms of the opening and closing applications. I can see, friends, clearly some kind of new different animation is going on in terms of the opening and closing animations, and there will be different lot of customization which I need to definitely explore what is happening in depth individually as well. So is there any kind of changes happened or not? But till now these are the physical changes. I mean, in terms of the UI, these are the most important changes which user actually needs in the phone. That's what I did feel. And only one thing which is balancing, I think, is that having the real-time FPS meter. So I wish they could have included the real-time FPS meter with the Ultra Game Mode 2.0, but that's not possible because all these options which we do have before, everything is completely same. Nothing much unique about this kind of options. So there's nothing much happening at this point. And I'll definitely do the gameplay review on this phone, so stay tuned for those videos as well. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to check the playlist for more information, for more doubts. That playlist will give you the clear idea what is going on with the FunTouch UI 12. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.